Hi guys, today is Tuesday. Miss Phelan assigned to read page 28 and to define the word mitosis and answer questions 5 and 6. Number 5 says how many chromosomes do humans have? And number 6, explain what happens in each of the 3 stages of the cell cycle. Okay, so let's read page 28. How do eukaryotic cells divide? Different kinds of eukaryotes have different numbers of chromosomes. However, complex eukaryotes do not always have more chromosomes than simpler eukaryotes. For example, potatoes have 48 chromosomes, but humans have 46. That answers number 5. How many chromosomes do humans have? Humans have 46. Many eukaryotes, including humans, have pairs of similar chromosomes. These pairs are called homologous chromosomes. One chromosome in a pair comes from each parent. Cell division in eukaryotic cells is more complex than in prokaryotic cells. The cell cycle of a eukaryotic cell has 3 stages: the interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. The first stage of the cell cycle is called interphase. During interphase, the cell grows and makes copies of its chromosomes and organelles. The 2 copies of a chromosome are called chromatids. The 2 chromatids are held together at the centromere. You can look at the diagram, chromatids and the centromere. The second stage of the cell cycle is called mitosis. During this stage, the chromatids separate. This allows each new cell to get a copy of each chromosome. Mitosis happens in 4 phases, as shown in the figure on the next page: the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. The third stage of the cell cycle is called cytokinesis. During this stage, the cytoplasm of the cell divides to form 2 cells. These 2 cells are called daughter cells. The new daughter cells are exactly the same as each other. They are also exactly the same as the original cell. The cell cycle. The figure on the following page shows the cell cycle. In this example, the stages of the cell cycle are shown in a eukaryotic cell that has only 4 chromosomes. So for today, all we have to do is define mitosis, and that's in this paragraph. Mitosis, it says the second stage of the cell cycle is called mitosis. And there's the definition for mitosis. Number 5, the question for number 5 is up here. And number 6, explain each stage of the cell cycle. The first stage is in this paragraph, the interphase. The second stage is mitosis. And the third stage is cytokinesis, and that's in this paragraph. Okay? And that's it for today's for Miss Phelan's work.